Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to set up tax rates in WooCommerce. So you have to set up VAT and tax rates. Here's the guide for you. So to enable your taxes in WooCommerce, you'll first have to go to the tax settings tab, which is going to be in WooCommerce, settings, and then general. From there, you'll be able to enable taxes and tax calculations in the checkbox. So scroll to the very bottom and save the changes once you have do so. So you'll have setting location, shipping location, default customer location. If you have to enable taxes, you can do so. So if you want to configure it, you can do so in the tax tab. So here you can also do prices entered with tax, calculate based on what? Shipping tax class, rounding, and many much more that you have to configure yourself depending on the product you sell, of course. So price entered with tax. So there's two things right here. So the price entered with tax option is one of the most important things. It will determine the prices. So there are two options to select from. Yes, I will enter the price inclusive of tax or no exclusive. So it's going to depend on what country you live and how it works on. So you can calculate the base tax on the billing address, shipping address, or the shop base address within those. So the default one is shipping address, and it's really just that simple. So the shipping tax class will also be dependent on the item you're selling or the service you're selling, such as the shipping tax class based on cart items are just standard if you want to choose from that. Rounding is also going to be there. It's going to be including or excluding, just like the first options that we did. So it's going to come down here in tax, it's price entered with. So it's going to come with this, or you can exclude it, or you can just include it, depending on really your preference and the item you sell. So there you go, guys. That is how you set up your VAT and taxes in WooCommerce, and it's really just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.